In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the buffer queue not working. If your scheduled posts aren't moving through the queue or nothing seems to be publishing, this quick reset usually gets everything back on track. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you know why it works. Start by opening Buffer. Use whichever device you normally manage your social posts from. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your connected profiles and scheduling tools. Head into Settings. This is where Buffer keeps account-level options and connections. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the sidebar or under your Profile menu. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. Inside Settings, click Channels. Channels are the social profiles you've connected, like your pages or accounts across different platforms. This section is where you manage those connections and fix anything that might be out of sync. Find the social media account that's having trouble. Look for the profile where posts have been stuck or not going out at their scheduled times. If you're unsure, match it to the queue that looks paused or empty when it shouldn't be. Open the three dots menu for that account. This menu gives you quick maintenance options specific to the selected profile. From here, choose Refresh Connection. What this does is reestablish a clean link between Buffer and the social network. It doesn't delete any content in your queue. It simply renews the permissions and clears minor connection hiccups that can block scheduled publishing. If Buffer requests authorization, re-log in when prompted. This is normal. You may see a secure authorization screen from the social platform asking you to confirm the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow the necessary permissions so Buffer can schedule and publish on your behalf again. When that's complete, you'll return to Buffer automatically. Now return to the queue for that same account. Navigate back to the queue view where your upcoming posts are listed. Give it a moment to refresh and then review your scheduled posts. Check that your scheduled posts are active again. You should see clear publish times, normal status indicators, and no warnings about disconnected channels. If a post was held due to the connection issue, it should now be set to go out at its scheduled time, or you can quickly adjust the time if needed. That's it. Your Buffer queue should now work correctly, and scheduled posts can publish normally again. Keep an eye on the next scheduled post to confirm it goes out as expected, and you'll be back to smooth, consistent posting.